Hi everyone, this is Matet and welcome to Anditome channel. Today we're going to Trentham Falls. It's 1.5 hour drive from Melbourne City. It's actually an easy walk, so you can bring your family, your friends, your kids, and you will love it. It is surrounded by lush bushland and covered by moss. Also, it's one of the longest single drop waterfalls in Victoria. So I'm sure you will enjoy it. So guys, continue on watching this up to the end and see you later. Okay? Bye-bye. No, not bye-bye yet. Just continue playing. Don't press the stop button, alright? Okay. See ya. And welcome to Anditome channel. So we're going to the falls. Let's go. Alright guys, it's only 7 minutes walk from the car park going to the falls. So it's easy, right? Easy downslope and easy going up. So I hope you enjoy the video and see you soon. Bye bye!